Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subnautica's Abandoned Ship on piano. To begin, find middle C on your keyboard. The piece is in C minor, so many notes will be flat. Start by familiarizing yourself with the main melody played by your right hand. Then, practice the simple, foundational bass line with your left hand. Remember to take it slow, perhaps at 50 beats per minute, and focus on accuracy over speed. Let's dive into the right hand. The melody largely follows the C natural minor scale, so expect notes like C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, and B flat. The opening phrase is quite recognizable, often starting with C, G, C, and E flat. Most of the rhythm consists of eighth notes, giving it a driving feel. Try using your first finger on C, second on D, and so on for comfortable fingering. Now for the left hand, which provides a solid foundation. It mainly plays simple root notes and fifths, creating a powerful bass line. You'll encounter common chords like C minor, G minor, and F minor. When playing, hold down the bass notes for their full duration to achieve a rich, resonant sound. Practice transitioning between these chords smoothly, perhaps counting to 4 for each chord change. Finally, let's combine both hands. Start at a very slow tempo, perhaps 40 beats per minute, focusing on coordinating your hands. As you gain confidence, gradually increase the speed. Pay close attention to the balance between your right hand melody and your left hand accompaniment. Neither should overpower the other. Practice short, 2 to 4 measure sections repeatedly until they feel natural. You'll be playing it beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.